and just randomly take advice from anybody who they make their guru and take these protein supplements?
100%. I do. Because, you know, people just wants to get a great body within few days, within few months, which is not possible. And as we have heard, that Rome was not built in a day, that nothing is easy, there are no shortcuts. So you have to, your technique should be right, as I said, and your regime should be like, you know, what suits you. It doesn't like you're inspired by Aamir, you're inspired by Shah Rukh, and you just want to make a good body very fast, which is like, you know, earning $1 billion. So it's like stages wise you can improve, and baby steps to success, I would say.
Monica, Rahul was mentioning the fact that you should not even take these protein supplements unless and until you go to a dietitian who knows exactly what she is up to. How many clients do you get? How many serious gymmers do you get? And how many percentage don't even consult a dietitian?
Actually, what happens is, I'm very sorry to say that even dietitians are into business world. Okay, and they, knowing that at a local gym, we don't see that they actually explain them the consequences of these substances. And maybe for the selling purpose or for business profit or whatever, they also prescribe that. And secondly, I feel only a dietitian is not important. I feel a person who has specialized in sports medicine should be is the right person to prescribe these things.
Rahul, you are perhaps also a figure that many would emulate, because you started off this trend in a big way of actors actually being physically that fit, physically having a chiseled body. What would you tell people who see an Aamir Khan get that Gajni kind of a look in 2 months' time? What would you tell these youngsters when they go to the gym? What should they do?
See, Akash, I'd like to correct you there. I mean, I don't think Aamir acquired that body over 2 months, one. Two,
that's the perception.
When you're looking at
I'm sorry, but that's the perception.
The kind of money involvement there is so humongous that they have the expertise which they can buy. You know, so it's an expert panel of people looking and catering to what somebody at that category is demanding, or the job is demanding of that person, to create a particular look. Now for another person who's just watching somebody like that, I mean, I started training looking at Sylvester Stallone, for example. I'm sure a lot of people did. It's more aspirational. I mean, everyone wants to look like them because they look beautiful, they look perfect, and so on and so forth. However, what is really imperative is to not only follow your gut and your heart, but go about the things in a sort of logical manner. Age factors are different, gender is different. I mean, what a female can digest, a male might or might not digest, and vice versa. And then there are body types which are different. I mean, there are ectomorph body type, mesomorph, endomorph, so on and so forth. So what is the body type you're falling under, and what is your history in terms of medical history? Are you averse to some kind of proteins or some kind of carbohydrates? Is your, so, you know, so on. So I mean, there definitely should be a blood test. There definitely needs intervention of a good dietitian, one who's qualified. I mean, these are doctors. So I mean, you're doctoring your mechanism of the body to perform at a certain particular level, to get to another level of fitness, and also enhance the look, so to say. And I don't think fitness is about looking good, you know, like a six-pack thing. It's about being in a state of mind which you feel that you can fly. You know, you feel good about yourself, you feel happy. You know, so that I think is fitness.
Unfortunately, Rahul, that's exactly the opposite what is happening. These youngsters just going to the gym, not really caring about their health, but caring about the look that they want of a six-pack. Completely running out of time, Rahul. Appreciate you joining us, Satya and Monica. Also, many thanks for joining us here on the Inside Story. We really hope that people who are watching this can take something away from this. Every individual has a different capacity, has a different intake level, and cannot take that kind of protein and steroid supplements. We really hope that you understand this fact.